In business, it can be easy to just keep going and going, but taking a moment to track our little wins and also the lessons we've learned along the way can provide really helpful insights into what strategy works, what needs improvement, and help us to put data behind our decisions. This Peaks and Pits dashboard is included in your free Notion starter kit, and it's just a really easy way to track your accomplishments and disappointments. You'll see here it's run on two databases, Peaks for accomplishments, Pits for disappointments, and then all you have to do is come up here, add a new item, select the date, what the accomplishment was, and if we open this up, you can add more details. You'll see that there's templates included in here for you. So there's a new Peak template that you can use if you want to, or you can start with a blank page. Then you can choose the impact that it's had, and you can change these out. If you want to change the labels, just click the three dots, change the label, change the color, delete any you don't want. If you want to add a new option, just start typing and hit create. And then you can assign it to either yourself if you're a team of one, or you can assign it to other team members if you're a team of some. The same is true for your pits. You add your date, your disappointment, the impact it's had, and who it was assigned to. We have some different views here. Again, this includes a template for a new pit. If we open this up, you'll see there's just some steps for you to reflect on. This is a really simple template, but it's a good way to get started with tracking your accomplishments and disappointments without too much effort or time required. Once again, this is a free template in my Notion starter kit, so if you want to access that, you can click the link in the description. I hope it helps.